Are you not supposed to be the maid? Huh?
Why are you doing like that? You won't kill him.
Oga,
What are you doing?
why do you have to hit me that hard?
So do you have things to do?
Yes, I know. I only came to
To do what?
to ask if there's something I can do.
Get out! Get off my roof right now.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Listen, I don't want you anywhere close to that guy. Do you understand? Can't you see he's trying to remember something? Eh?
But if you don't hit him like that now, this guy for die for this place.
Get human being deserve worse than that. Can't see everything I'm doing is because of you.
You've been there by me, they show me shake it.
Just sticking my neck out there, can even take thank you.
Thank you.
You've been there by me, they show me baby. Smart enough for die.
Udoka! You ignored me because of this! Because! What is this? Is something wrong with you?
Jesus! Okay, you waste food. You see, God, they punish people, they waste food. God will punish you. God will punish you. Look, what you do.
My friend, shut up there. Look, before God will punish me, I will punish you first. Udoka, do I need to remind you that your priority in this house is to make sure I'm good, not feeding your miserable self? Not to lose your job?
My mom, she talks to you anytime I'm eating. We don't see that one place and eat that your food.
Hey, will you shut up? Shut up. I don't care about what your mother has told you. What's wrong with you, Udoka? Are you okay? You want to lose your job, right?
No. I don't know. Can I come and carry another food inside the house?
Don't let me get to that gate before you. Something is wrong with you. Go and open this gate, my friend.
I should not come and carry another food.
Don't let me get here before you. Wait, go. Why is this food this ugly? What kind of food is this? I can't eat this now.
Okay, which one be food ugly again? Na egusi soup be this. I just cook am now. And you know ugly, na so egusi face dey there.
Are you interrogating me in my own house? So don't I have right to reject food? Don't I have right to tell you what I want? Don't I have right to tell you this food is good or not good? What's this now?
Na egusi soup, sir.
Look, I cannot eat this thing. Please take this out of my front. What's this now? What's all this now?
So, Oga, wetin you wan make I cook for you? Because you no get wetin again wey dey here. And night don come, market people don close. Na egusi be this. You just enjoy am.
What is all this? What have I brought upon myself? You don't regard me? That your stupid brother at the gate doesn't regard me. Nothing. Nobody does. You just do whatever you like. What's all this now?
No vex, sir. We no dey treat you anyhow, sir. We are sorry, sir. We are sorry, sir.
Take it out of my front, my friend. What's all this?
But Oga, food no dey this house again. Oya, wetin you wan chop? Make I go prepare.
I want to eat jollof rice, and that's what I want.
Jollof rice. Can I be say you go wait make I go cook the jollof rice because...
Are you crazy?
Sir?
Are you mad?
No.
You are talking back at me?
No, I just say you go wait because...
Then take this out of my front, my friend.
Sorry, sir.
And I give you 30 minutes to prepare that jollof rice.
Rice no go done by 30 minutes.
Wait, oh. Are you okay? Doka.
Sir?
My friend, will you come here?
Good day, sir.
Look at what is all this now? Hmm? Why won't you do your dime job well? What's wrong with you? Look at debt everywhere. Look at what's all this?
Sir, I watched this car. I watched this car well. The truth be say, you know now, as breeze they blow, they carry dirty for air. You don't accumulate small, but I cannot be washing car every second, every minute. Washing.
Okay, you know what we'll do now? You will take off these clothes you're wearing. Use it to dust the car so that I can go out. Eh?
Sir, this clothes. Sir, you say you've never asked me why you not wearing your uniform today. Today is my birthday. Yes, and this clothes I'm putting on now is the most expensive clothes I have in my wardrobe. This is the exact shirt I use and lay my late mother to rest. They are gentle to rest.
Look,
I cannot be using it.
I don't care if your ancestors passed this on to you, but all I'm telling you is that you use it to clean this car. That's all. Hmm? So, get out. And talking about your age, how old are you today?
30 years old today.
A fool at 30. That's a waste of age. Because if you are really 30, you won't allow me to be telling you what to do. Clean this and let me go out and beg. Or leave it, open the gate. Run now! Come on, open the gate!
He no get joy, he no see your face. He's an awful boss without no sympathy. He's an awful boss, oh. He no get the joy. He no send your papa, he no send your mama. He's doing what he wants and when he wants, no apology. He's an awful boss without no sympathy. He's an awful boss, oh. He no get the joy. He no send your papa, he no send your mama. He's doing what he wants and when he wants, no apology.
Okay, good afternoon.
Come. Why is this place dusty? What's all this now? My friend, go. Clear. What's all this now?
Sir?
Do you have the fat of my mouth?
No, sir, you say make I clean the table. Now the table I did try clean, sir.
Be careful. Be careful!
Sorry, sir.
Nonsense girl. Come back here. Do you have a boyfriend?
Boyfriend care? No. I no get boyfriend because this job what I dey do, I take am serious. So I no go get that time for boyfriend now. Now money I dey find, no be boyfriend.
Who even dates you, sir? Who will date you? Now boy, you're lazy, you're dirty, you're just good for nothing. You can't even cook good food. Nonsense. I wonder why I'm even paying you, sir. Huh? You know what? Please leave here, beg.
Thank you, sir.
Get out! Come back here, come and pass here. What's all this? See, this girl is not bad, though. Where are you? Bring the water! Where's this stupid girl? Can't she just be fast for love?
Okay. Don't bring it. How the water be this?
Drop it.
You sure say no go drink am?
Drop the water. Come, do you know? Come and sit down.
Oga?
Come on, sit down.
Why they sit down for now, Oga? I want go back to my quarters.
Come. Don't you know, sometimes it's always good for one to be...
No, wait, Oga, wait.
No,
what are you...
That's sometimes...
Wait, Oga, wait, Oga.
I told Richard that I saw the video. It was her. The girl I loved all my life and was going to make her my wife. Saw her sleeping with my cousin. I am so pissed that I want to punish every woman in this world. I feel very miserable. I don't know if I am ever going to be okay. Damn women. They deserve nothing good but to be punished. I will punish you, Sarah. What's wrong with you?
I'm okay.
And why are you here sobbing? Why are you crying? Talk now, you are crying. Why are you crying? Oga, what?
What you do me? You come back.
What did I do? Oh. Are you not supposed to be happy that I even use you to ease myself? Am I the only one? Oh, you think I don't know about Musa? I don't know about Ahmed. I don't know about Simon at the other street. All these boys, I know them, I see them. Come, be careful. Be very, very careful in this house. Don't let me come out here and see you sobbing again.
You don't just need yourself, you force yourself on me. But you raped me.
Shut up! Who raped you? Who, me?
Yes.
See, don't let me hear this. You better don't worry. If I hear you tell anybody this, I will deal with you. Shut up! What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Let me see you again.
Because you don't get anybody from me, help me.
Better shut up, oh. Better respect yourself. Better respect yourself. You're not even happy, self. Nonsense.
And he no send you, he no care for your feelings. He's so mean and he say no nonsense about you. He no get joy, he no see your face. He's an awful boss without no sympathy. He's an awful boss, oh. He no get the joy. He no send your papa, he no send your mama. He's doing what he wants and when he wants, no apology. He's an awful boss without no sympathy. He's an awful boss, oh. He no get the joy. He no send your papa, he no send send your papa, he no send your mama. He's doing what he wants and when he wants, no apology.
You're sleeping on duty. Why's my car this dirty? Huh?
You go do this kind of thing now. Somebody can know this house. I clean this car today and I don't know who did this. Any invisible person they live everywhere would do all these kind of things. Because look, I clean this motor now. I clean this motor now.
If you know you cleaned this car this morning and instead of sleeping there, you should have known that there's a responsible adult that lives in this house who doesn't like that. But look, come and clean this car. Come. Hi. And what is it?
Okay. I say you could guys go to hospital because bless your belly don't rotten.
My belly rotting. Then you shouldn't worry about me. You should worry about what that your useless sister feeds me with. Come on, sleep. Wash out this good for nothing, boy. Don't let me come out and meet you sleeping, oh. For nothing, boy. Can you imagine sleeping? Hey.
Rita, what's going on? Are you okay?
Yeah, are they okay?
You just put here there. Someone with ID like this and you're looking really, really sick and slim. You just say carry go hospital like this. You think they happen now? Are you alright?
I've been sick. It's more fever. But I'll be okay now.
See, the fact that you can never talk to me about what's going on with you, that won't help to pay me pass. Just handle your own things by yourself.
No beside the try handle my things by myself. The thing be said the demon where they fight now. You know if you fight now.
You be like I would call boss or make him give you some days or make you try sort yourself out. What's I would do with that though?
No, beg, leave her.
But you're not looking nice now, you're not
I'll
looking
be
okay.
okay now. So leave me. I beg. I'll be okay. I don't take medicine.
Oh.
I'll be okay. Just that the thing they turn my eyes. Don't worry, I'll be okay. I'll be very okay. You don't chop. I'll give you food.
Yeah.
I'll give you food.
What is that? Boss, this your shoe is too clean, oh? Very nice shoe. You know what? I don't want you to dirty this shoe. Let this shoe not dirty. So that is your clean shoe will not be dirty.
What are you doing? Are you okay?
You always like matching my clothes and like moving with my clothes too, please. Step on it, so that this is your clean shoe. Not
And why should I do that?
that you like to see me miserable and like my misery gives you joy and happiness. I won't keep you happy. You understand? All the days of your life, as long as I'm here, you'll be happy. Understand?
Do I detect sarcasm in your voice? I hope this is not your way of powerlessly protesting for the way I treat you in this house.
As you can see, I'm powerless. I never have strength to protest. I never even shop finish self to protest. All I'm saying is that this is my new uniform. You can step on it. My December cloth 2 years ago is sealed in my bag. I can add more. Even my Christmas cloth 2 years ago is still in my bag. I can bring it to an ad. This was not enough.
Udoka, look. I can see you're becoming bold, And any day I find out that you are being mischievous in this house, that will be the last day you see yourself in this house. My friend, take this thing. Take that off your common. Oh, come on, open the gate for me. Oh, but come open the gate now. You Grace? What kept it so long?
Okay.
Hope you wash your hand before preparing this thing.
Yes.
Emergency, oh Jesus. See,
What's it?
there's a very big snake that just entered the compound now. Yeah, I saw a very big snake. It just entered the house now. Your life is in danger.
Bring it.
But listen,
Sure.
yes, your life is in danger.
Shut. Okay, you know what? I'm going to leave the house. Make sure both of you take care of the snake.
No, no.
Which snake?
Take her with you. I don't want her to.
Hey!
When I want to kill the snake.
No, stay.
I need to eat food.
No. Take her with you.
Stop.
I don't want her to jeopardize my plans of eliminating the threat. Are you going?
Food.
Careful,
Kill it,
snake.
kill it.
Careful, oh. Careful. Are you going? Are you going? Nonsense. See, snake.
See you. Shebi, you purposely do this to make Oga leave this food. Talk true. Huh?
There's snake now.
Shebi, there is snake now. So what if he come back now, call ask of him food? Wait, I want tell her. If you tell me make I give you food now, no be me cook am.
No, the snake ate the food. I know in Nigeria. Snake is swallow like 2.2 billion.
You shop money.
This way you no good. You know, if you allow this poor man, even though say he wicked, if you just allow me to just see food chop.
To lie.
But it's okay. You can still enjoy. After all, I make cook am. Small still there. The one I go give, I go carry and give. Chop food. I make cook and chop food. I dey come.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome, boss.
Welcome, sir.
And why are you happy?
I'm happy because the threat has been neutralized. I found the snake and I killed it with my bare hands. I cut it like this, I twisted it like this, killed it. I didn't even let it to escape. I suffocated it with my bare hands.
What's wrong with you? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Look, if you have done your work very well, do you think that snake would have found its way to the house? And you're jubilating. Nonsense. And what's that? Are you trying to tell me something?
Yes, sir. I said welcome, sir.
God, I don't know what you're doing.
You wait here, snake. You just run. You even see snake. You won't come up our house.
Rita.
Sir.
Get my food, please.
Sir.
I don't understand. Where's my food? This is meant to be eating time, not cooking time. Where's my meal?
Okay, I been no go market today.
I don't understand. What do you mean you been no go market today?
I been sick since few days now. I never get myself. They do me like say I won't die. This thing just they turn my life upside down.
Ha! That's better than I die now. You are sick, you die. The same person who is sick, they die. When you are sick, you die. I can go out there and put up sign and anybody can come in there and apply. What's all this now? Can't I just eat food in this house?
Sir, the thing be say, I know they get strength, I know they get myself. And if I go even carry me, even if in a hospital, like I can go look at it.
Look, first, you accused me of rape. I didn't talk. 2, you're not making it look like it's my responsibility to take you to the hospital. What's all this? Why are you giving me issue in this house? You and that your worthless brother. What's all this happening? What's this? Look, hold on. I think it's better I get rid of you guys so that I will know I don't have anyone here. What's all this?
Okay, no, I'll find what I go cook for you.
Go and make it fast, please.
No face.
What kind of problem is this? What kind of damn? Oh, God.
Rita. I found out. You okay? What's going on? I don't wait for you outside. Tired. No, come. Everything just right, so.
Are you okay?
You know, if I talk, I'm going to carry you to the pharmacy, we'll go buy something to make you drink. Are you sure you're okay? Why? You're not feeling too well, though. What's going on now? You need your baby, go buy drugs. Come, we'll go.
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? Rita.
No, okay.
Eh?
Where you come back from? I don't know where you go. Don't come back. Go for the same woman.
Who? Me?
Yes, you.
Okay. You don't have to be seen now.
Is what's wrong with you? Me? Oga, leave her! Oga, leave her!
What do you do? What do you do? Jesus. Oga.
Is it breathing?
Wait.
Is it breathing?
He dey breathe.
Is it breathing?
He dey breathe.
Okay.
He be like say he faint. No, pour water now. Pour water.
What we go do?
We'll carry and go hospital.
Hospital? No. Then go to the hospital. How manage the thing? Take her person. I go call him doctor. I sabi doctor. My phone.
Wait, make I bring water.
Go be my phone.
Oga. Hey, Jesus.
My friends, I think his condition is rather worse. If I may advise, he needs to be flown abroad for proper medical attention. Owing to the fact that he obviously lost his memory due to the heart fall.
Hey.
I've been here more than once to see if I can do something about his mental deterioration, but it's obviously nothing we can handle here.
No questions. So you're saying he no go remember anything for a long period of time? Nothing.
It's a pity he will not be able to remember anything for now.
But the good things with this man they do.
It's fine. The truth is, he needs to be flown abroad for proper medical attention. Possibly a surgery should be performed on him. Neurosurgical kind of surgery, you know. But for the meantime, let him get the proper medical attention he needs here. I will also be visiting since I'm the family doctor. Okay?
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
I will send some medications that could actually help him. It's a 50-50 thing that could actually help him regain his memory. All you have to do is get him those meds, okay?
Very important.
Hopefully, he gets better, okay?
That's fine. Doctor.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
I will
very
still visit tomorrow
No problem.
to know how he's faring.
Yes, doctor.
All right, no problem. Sorry about it.
I said I don't comot everything now. Even in pictures, everything. But down to his boxers, I don't pack everything comot. Not be what you tell me. Now what I do now? But the thing can be say, I won't take explain give am all these expensive clothes when they wear. Like you check them now. Shut up your mouth. And you're good boss. Which boss? Who that say I'm a very good boss? Not be me they buy clothes where they wear. In case you know, make I tell you now. Now from Yaba market, I they buy them and I they buy the downgrade own. The one where people don't choose finish. Now they see me they pick. I go come wash them for you, give you, wash them, iron and give you. Maybe they wear. What you they talk? You want buy expensive thing, give them, and you know they wear expensive thing. Check them now. Small, half. Problem don't solve. Small. No be say it don't solve them. I don't change everything. All the no picture, no one day. I come out everything. Trust me. You don't go. Come, where you dey? Who be that person they talk for background? I dey hear baby. Where you dey? That place they noisy. You don't go carry woman. No, Udochukwu, you don't go carry. In the midst of all these things, when me and you now they fight, you carry woman. Chineke me. This way don't cut for my ear. See Udoka. Udoka of yesterday. You go carry woman. You get mind. Cut for my ear. Don't worry. I marry you for this house. Now wow. This is very too soft. Come.
No, I will
Sit down.
prefer outside.
Oh boy, sit down. Don't worry. I want give you something.
Your brother.
Which one be your brother? Hold on. Keep your leg well. Wait here, and they come.
Wow.
You see this one? This one are fried rice. And na me cook am. You know, say if I enter kitchen, I dey scatter. Let me show you. Rice too sweet. Wow. You will like her.
Look,
I want me to just chop belly full.
thank you very much for how you and your brother have been looking out for me. I appreciate.
It's nothing. I don't tell you, say, you be get man with a difference. You know where before, so you are recovering. You need make you chop plenty food so that you go take your medicine. You go dey okay.
Okay. I like the food, it's very delicious.
You like am, abi?
So, tell me, you have a boyfriend?
Why they ask me? You want to be my boyfriend?
No, but if you... I want, but you know, your brother will not allow that because I'm sure he has a better plan for you. Me, I will just be a distraction.
So if you say like this now, why day? My brother, they detect something, they happen for my life.
Thank you. I love this food, very delicious.
I know, right? Chop well, so that you go drink your medicine.
I love the food though.
I might put water for you.
Come.
Small. You don't need to rush am.
Very sweet. Very sweet.
Like am.
Hello, sir. Okay, you look good though. And you're smelling good too.
I know I'm smelling good.
Yes, sir.
I don't pay you to give me compliments. I'm rich, of course. I know I smell good and I look good. Look, you wash this car. Anytime I go out, you come back in, you wash it. Do you understand? Yes.
Yes. Okay, yes. I also want to thank you for how you and your sister have been looking out for me. Thank you.
Anyway, that was holiday period for you. Holiday is over. You have to earn your stay in this house. Starting from today, you'll drive me around town today. Any problem with that?
Yes, I'm just wondering. Does my duty also include driving you? Or do you pay me extra for driving you?
Your duty is anything I say it is. Do you understand? Speaking of paying extra, your hospital bill, did you pay it? All the food you eat in this house, do you pay?
No, sir.
The roof over your head right now, do you pay?
No, sir.
Do you?
No, sir.
Do you want me to fire you?
No. Sorry, sir.
You know you're in Lagos. You know how hard it is to find a job.
Sorry, sir. Yes. I'm sorry, sir.
With all these numerous benefits, you're opening your mouth to talk to me. Are you?
I'm sorry. I was just...
Enter that car. Enter that car.
Okay. I was just trying
Enter that car. Shut up.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You been there by me, they show me shake it. And I know if you complain, cause I know get them out. You been there by me, they show me baby. Smart enough for die, cause not die a day. But the day will come and turn around. Hey, you can't be my boy, I can't be your boss. Hey, the day will come and turn around. Hey, I can't stay on top, you can't be my boy. Jay, show me that do me before. Now my time to do you back now.
Look. Don't tell me you're still feeling guilty about what's happening.
You know, you need to see how this guy was thanking me. You need to see how this guy, they praise you behind your back. I can't look at, I not be bad person. I mean, me and you know say we no be bad people. But I can't think, why would they do this thing? What would they do now?
We're doing it because he's a wicked person. Terry is a bad person and bad people deserve bad things to happen to them. That's why we're doing it. No go lose guard though. Because the question is going to ask, you're not ready to answer them.
Okay. Why I call you be say we are running out of foodstuffs, money no day. Everything don't finish. Before you know now we go enter hunger strike.
I found 10k in the car, but 10k will not be enough to buy food stuff. So, and this man said, never remember any of his passwords. They won't call them withdraw money. What we're going to do is that we'll just go to his room and check for his wristwatches, gold, anything. Just sell it off and just raise enough money to run the house for the meantime.
No, because, I mean, we don't have cash and we need to buy it medicine.
No problem. So what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. What is wrong with you? Eh? What's wrong with you? I not foolish like this. Why are you looking at the car like that? Like something's wrong? Eh? Why are you looking at the car like you want to press auto wash? Is it you want to press auto wash and let the car wash on its own? Don't you know how to wash car?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm just asking. I'm confused. You know, I lost my memory, you know. The other time I was driving you, I know the driving came naturally, but this, I don't understand. I'm just confused. Is this what I do? Do I do this as well?
Open your mouth. Wah! I'm talking rubbish. Can you hear yourself? Now it's time to do hard work. You're blaming it on memory. Yeah? Your memory is bad. Time to do work. Bad memory. But when you were inside the house eating, yeah, you remember to compliment the food. This food is really good. You put your mouth now and talking nonsense.
I'm sorry, sir. That's not what I mean. This feels like something I've never done before in my life.
See that your useless life? It's in my hand. Anything I tell you to do is what you will do. Both the one you did in the past and both the one you're going to do in your future. It's me that will tell you. It belongs to me. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Listen,
Yes, sir.
I don't know how you want to watch this car. I don't want to go and watch video and watch it. If I come out in the next 20 minutes, this car is not clean, I will not only fire you. I'll kick you out of my house.
I'm sorry, sir.
Open
Sorry.
the bammy, they show me shake it. And I know if he complain, cause I know get him out. You've been there on me, they show me pepe. I smart enough for die, cause not die a day.
Okay.
No, wetin happen? I said make I come ask you. Thank God say, where you dey go?
Stepping out.
Stepping out. You wan sell everything for this house? I just come back now, go inside kitchen. I dey notice say you don't sell the freezer. You don't sell laptop, you no reach you. You sell him phone, you no reach you. You sell standing fan, you no reach you. Now na deep freezer. Wetin happen?
By the time I'm done with that man, by the time I finish with him, he no go recognize everything will happen to him. By the way, I'm good out now, yeah? Come and see, go to phone gate for me. Come and see.
No, you guys calm down, because don't forget say na my baby papa. Now him give me belle. If you can't sell everything, what I want you spray my pikin? Haba!
Terry!
Sir.
Open the gate.
Okay, sir.
You've been there by me, they show me shake it. And I know if he complain, cause I know get him out. You've been there by me, they show me baby. Smart enough for die, cause not die a day. But the day you come and turn around, hey, you can't be my boy, I can't be your boss. Hey.
So you cannot open gate again, Abi? Come on, gate. You cannot open. What type of gate man are you?
Okay. Are you sure I do this every day of my life before the accident? Because I'm confused here.
It's very simple. Your brain is empty. Listen, the good part is that you don't need your brain to open that gate. All you need is strength. Open that gate. Come on. Hi. Hi, God. Just open common gate. You fat. Chai.
What kind of dream is this? Oga and his sister serving me food. Hey, God. Imagine me. If I just tell him this one, this is just straight sacking, fire, he will just fire me straight. How will I tell you they are not? Why would I tell him that? Maybe is God trying to tell me something? Maybe this is just for future purposes. Who knows? Maybe he'll serve me tomorrow. Hey, God, no. No, this must be a very stupid dream. No. But this is a good dream. Oh. It's supposed to be bad, but it's still good. If I just hear this for no more, straight fire, straight. Okay, sorry, I won't even tell you. I'm sorry for dream. That be my fault, too.
What is it, Terry?
I'm sorry, sir. It looks like my head is messed up, after the accident, because I keep having this dream and vision, I don't know.
What dreams and vision are you having?
Sir, it's kind of wild and stupid. I always have this dream like me being your boss and you being the gate man, like I said, it's stupid, sir.
Oh, that's your prayer now.
Oh,
that
no.
One day I become your security and I'll be serving you. That's your plan. That's your prayer.
No, sir.
Abi?
No, sir. Like I said, it's stupid and weird. I think I need to see a doctor.
Of course, because you had a very severe head injury and things can be very messy in your head. Hope you've not been skipping your medications though.
No, sir.
You've not?
No, sir.
Listen, first of all, what you saw can never happen. Do you understand? I can never save you. This is who you are. This is what you are meant to do. Do you understand? Once you have all these, your visions and dreams, talk to me, alright? I'll put you right. Okay?
Okay, I'm sorry, sir.
I'm sure you must be very busy doing one or two things.
Yes, sir.
May I get onto it?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Dreams and vision kill you there, idiot. Fool.
Madam, I don't know if Oga is still coming back tonight. I want to lock the gate.
You go lock the gate, but you go still come back. But lock the gate, I beg.
Madam, I noticed anytime you see me, you have this sad expression in your face. Are you worried about me?
You know what make I worry about you?
Yes, I want you to be worried about me. I'm just thinking because I know you are a good person, and you know I can trust you. You're someone I can trust as well.
You think so you know me very well? Eh? No, you think so you know me very well. So they tell me say, I know I can trust you. You go trust who? How well do you think you know me? How well?
I know you. I know you are pregnant, and it's just I have not gone. Please, I want to ask, who is the father of your baby?
You dey
Is he out of the
craze.
country?
You dey mad. You be like say you don't dey too comfortable. I don't understand. Wetin dey bring all this leg? Me and you be besties. Eh? Are we that close? Wey be say you go dey ask me nonsense question? Take your time.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to anger you. You know, because as we are becoming friends, you know, so I thought we could, you know, gist.
Friends. If not be wetin happen to you, I don't know why I go dey close to you. But make I leave am for another day. Friends, how I don't understand. You be bad person. You don't know. But I no go because of wetin happen, I go lose guard you. I'm a good person, but now you turn me to bad person. Yes, you be bad person if you don't know.
I don't understand. What are you talking about? What do you mean? Please, I'm sorry, please. If I'm a bad person, or if I was a bad person, please explain to me how I was bad to you. Or what
You were very terribly bad. You bad. Ah, you too bad. So you make me come bad.
I'm sorry, man.
I beg, come out from here, I beg.
Sorry. Good night, man.
Good night. Lock the gates. My brother come, you open them. You ask me nonsense questions. As per what now? Because I don't dey shine it with you. I could change them for you.
Udoka! Udoka! Is this boy sleeping or what? Udoka!
Who is that now? Who is that one? Who is that? Yes? What can I do for you?
Open the gate for me.
What are you looking for?
Which kind of play be this one now?
Where are you looking for?
Terry, how far now? Open gate for me.
Oga, what do you want, Abeg? Who is this?
Where is Udoka?
My Oga. Come in. You're looking for my boss.
I don't understand. What are you talking about? Terry, which kind of play be this now? Come off it now. What kind of joke is this? Why are you wearing these clothes? What is this?
Oga, wait. What now? Where are you looking for? Is it not my Oga you're looking for?
Terry.
What?
Stop this play now. I don't understand. I came to see you now.
Oga, please. I'm just a gate man here. And I'm here to take care of the house. That's what I'm here for.
Is this a joke? Oh,
Terry, go to the house. Stay inside,
Okay.
Terry!
Oga, beg, don't put my for trouble, please.
Wait. Udoka,
please come.
what's going on, my friend?
Listen. Oga say make I not tell anybody, but because you've been kind to me and you're a very close friend, and why I won't just leak the secret, tell you.
I still don't understand. I don't understand. Why is he wearing your regalia?
Listen, that's what we tried to explain to you. Me and Oga, we made a bet. Okay? We're playing a game. It's called Role Swap, where I get to be Oga for a couple of days and Oga gets to be security me for a couple of days, yes.
I don't understand. Terry, my friend, agreed to do that thing with you. I don't get it.
He said he's tired of same routine, every day the same thing, he's bored. So he wanted to do something different. So he came up with the idea of this thing, Role Swap. Yeah? We bet 1 million and whoever loses, the winner goes on with 1 million. So in the character like this, leave him. In the character.
No, don't say that. It is out of his character to accept this thing, to do it with you. You, Udoka, I don't understand.
As you came around now like this, all this is now acting. You understand? He doesn't want to lose his money. I need to be boss. He doesn't want to lose. So he's just acting. In a couple of days, it will be done. He will be tired soon. I know he'll be tired soon. Yeah?
This is weird. This is really out of his character too. Terry, role swap.
Yeah. Listen, just leave it like that. Understand? He's playing a game and we're good.
The table come and turn around. Hey, I come there on top. You come be my boy. Jay, show me that do me before. Now my time to do you back now. You did play me before. Now my time to play you back now. Hey, do me, I do you. Man, don't go fast. so he be. Shabby, they do me before. Now my time to do you back.
Hey. Are you mad? Eh? Is something wrong with you? Who told you you can have that wine? Eh?
And I can have this one because this one here belongs to me. You know, this is the kind of life I was living. It feels real. This is me, not just a mere gate man like you told me that I am.
It's like you need to get your brain checked. It's like something is wrong with your brain. What's wrong with you? Huh?
Look, hey, listen. Udoka. Yes. I can call you Udoka if I want. Udoka, I feel there's something you're not telling me here. And I feel it's just a matter of time. This is not me. I mean, just... My brain is awakened now, like... Though I'm still confused.
Mind yourself.
Wait, you say anything he's not telling me? How can I be a gate man? How is my brain playing tricks on me? Are you not supposed to be the maid? Huh?
Why you like that? You won't kill him.
Oga,
What are you doing?
why do you have to hit me that hard?
Don't you have things to do?
Yes, I know. I only came to
To do what?
ask if there's something I can do.
Get out! Get off my room right now.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Listen, I don't want you anywhere close to that guy. Do you understand? Can't you see he's trying to remember something? Eh?
But if you don't hit him like that now, this guy for die for this place.
Get human being deserve worse than that. Can't see everything I'm doing is because of you.
You've been there by me, they show me shake it.
Just sticking my neck out there, can even take thank you.
Thank you.
You've been there by me, they show me baby. Small thing never die, cause not die a day. But the day will come and turn around. Hey, you can't be my boy, I can't be your boss. Hey, the day will come and turn around. Hey, I can't be on top, you can't be my boy. Jay, Shabby, they do me before. Now my time to do you back now. You they play me before.
Hi, welcome, how are you?
Now my time to play you
Fine.
back now.
Yes, I'm here to see Terry. Where is he?
Terry stepped out today. You know, I always knew he's going to cheat on me with this game that we're playing. He stepped out. He said he has something personal to do with his life today. So he went to sort it out. Yes. Currently.
I see.
Yes.
Are you two still playing this role swap game thing? When does it end though?
It ends when he admits that he's tired of being an employee. That's when the game is going to officially end. And I win the bet, 1 million naira. I win it. Yes.
I see.
Exactly.
Well, Terry can never be consistent with playing this employee role thing for a long time. And what is most infuriating is the fact that he plays unaware when he sees me. I don't get it.
He's the boss now. Of course, he doesn't want to lose. He's a sore loser. He's going to, but Mr. Richard, this thing is going to end soon because I am 100% sure that he cannot keep up washing cars and opening gates. That's not his life now. I know very soon he's going to quit. And I win the money, I win the bet, and all the things will be over in no distant time. Yeah. So he's not around now. Maybe later, right? You can check back to him later. Later, it's not around. Me, I'm here playing gate man duties to the opening gate up and down. Yeah? He's cheating on me with the game. Yeah? Alright, now, Mr. Richard, later now. Take care.
Where this thing contain? Where is this rat? Eh?
Terry, what do you dey do by this time of the night?
I'm looking for rats, man.
Rats
Yes.
in this big house. Rats from where?
Your brother asked me to look for this rat, so I have to look for the rats.
Come,
I can't
it's
see
okay.
this rat.
It's okay, give it to me. Go and sleep, go back to your duty
No,
post.
your brother...
I say go back to your duty post. You want to listen to my brother? Allow my brother, I go talk to him. Okay? Go and sleep.
Are you sure?
You want to listen to me, I be my brother. Ogbeni, go inside, go sleep. What did they worry you?
Don't put me in trouble, please. Oh.
I say go and sleep, night don't come.
I don't want problem. Oh.
No worry, I will talk to my brother.
I don't want problem. Oh.
I say, go and sleep. If you dey find work, I go give you mop. Make you dey mop this pool.
Look at the way this one is here. Hi. Hey.
Your friend Richard now.
Park.
Hi. You too. This is new. What is going on?
You talk like you know me. Oh, yeah, I know you do come to the house. August's friend.
Wow, Terry. You know, you've proven to me that you are a fantastic actor. But tell me, when will it end?
To what end? What are you talking about?
Don't worry. Don't forget wetin Doka tell you. You know, say when I been get this thing, no let them no trust you again. No go make sense.
Excuse me?
I been tell you something in private. If you betray in trust, you no go like her.
I don't understand. Terry, wait, what is all this? What is going on?
Oh, you know, say you been tell me say Terry, you dey here na nice person, and na true you talk. Oh, I swear, na true you talk, because me and am now don dey align well. We dey together, you know, the gist, the roll. Anytime Terry just carry this in hand run for my pikin like this, he go dey kick.
Yes, I like it. I like it. It gives me strength and makes me feel like protecting the fragile one.
Terry, wait. It's unlike you to act responsible for something you know nothing about. Because I don't get it. What is going on?
Me, I don't understand what you dey talk. Baby, let's go.
Oh, it's fine. I will drop people off.
No, don't worry. We'll just do strolling for inside there. We'll do okay. Don't worry. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Terry.
see this thing what they do. We need to stop her. No, we need to stop her. Richard don't dey suspect us. Terry don't dey ask small questions. And don't forget, if Terry just tell Richard say he no remember anything, it's a game over for us. Shebi, you know that one. My guy, I know wetin I dey tell you. I don't think this thing well. Think am. I say make I tell you. I beg.
Look, listen. Alright, just relax, calm down. You need like say it be water leaf. Listen. The plan we say, I go sell the house. I go sell the motor. Carry the money, japa, go another country, go hide. Simple.
You dey hear yourself?
Yes, now.
No, so make they come carry my name, come put am for billboard, wanted. Nah, I'm not there for that kind of thing, I beg. At this point, you supposed calm down. Think how we want to beg this guy. Yes, because like this, don't they remember everything what they have?
So that's your brilliant idea now. Go and beg him. Really? That's how easily you want to throw your life away. Eh?
Don't forget that this guy na my baby papa. The guy don't change. Now changed person. So I beg, me just, calm down. See whether we go beg him. Cry.
You're forgetting that
cry,
you're the only one carrying this child. Am I carrying this child?
It doesn't matter.
He will throw me away 1 second and maybe have mercy on you because of his child. But how about me? That's no plan. There's no good plan for anybody.
No, I beg.
That's the reason why I don't feel do anything with woman. Once feeling just enter, it go just
what are the woman? And they tell you something wey go benefit me and you. If they carry you go kiri now, what's I want to do? Don't forget say only me and you dey. Not only me and you remain for this life like this. I beg, make we just beg her. Make he have mercy on us. Make we have mercy now. So we go just dey roll for ground, dey beg her. You go forgive us. I beg. Now like this we want to live our life. Now like this. For how long? You want me to declare us wanted? Make we beg them now. No big deal for there, I beg. I dey tell you something. No be. I be your senior. Wetin I sit down now they see for main roads. You if you stand up, you no go see am. You no go see am. I don't see far. I dey see future. Ha! Now wow, God will make me first come out of our mama womb. Say that me be the first. And if I dey talk, you need to listen to me.
I feel like this is not me. I feel like I was bad before. Oh, tell me, how was I before this?
I don't go talk say you be bad person, but you yourself, you get your own bad sides. Say situations like this, is either you bring out the good or bad way they inside you. You understand?
You're a nice person. Look, I can feel it. You're nice.
I lie you. I no be nice person. I don't do so many bad things for my life. So that I don't pause, talk to myself. Come they cry, they beg God, say, if only you go just say why the time, make I just correct all the mistakes so I don't do for this life.
Are you scared of something? You sound like you are going to die. Or is there anything you want to say to me that you are not saying?
Yes, you get something will happen, but I don't even know. The thing be say, with time, you go know. And by the time you find out, I hope say you go see am through my intentions and not my actions. Everything where you see say, I do am because of me and my pikin. I do am make I for protect me and my pikin where I carry for my belly. I know say I do bad things, but if only I go change my man's side, I don't know.
It's okay, you're a nice person. Stop.
You don't go understand. You don't go understand.
See, I would have hugged you, but your brother, I don't want him to break my head,
No.
You hug me. I don't want him to break my head. Come on, smile. It's okay. I don't want to hug you too tight because of your brother. You want him to catch me? I'm scared. I don't want it to come and break my head.
No, you're not break your head. Terry! Terry! Jesus is Lord. Hey! So this boy has not been taking his drugs. Hello, hello? Udo, you need to come and see what I'm seeing. Yeah! No, wait. I dey tell the gate now. I can't find and come. As I reach here, I know say this guy no dey take all the drugs wey we don dey give am since. He dey pack am under in bed. Yes, wait. Where you dey? Wait first, make I tell you.
Terry. 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 Richard, how far, my guy? Eh? Yeah. My guy. How far? Yeah, what's up? Look who acknowledged me today and he's talking to me like his friend. Wow, this is good. See who is acknowledging me as his friend today and he's talking to me. Wait, tell me. Is this not against the rule of the game you and Udoka are playing?
Rule of which game? No, guy, no, see. Actually, I was hot and I lost my memory at the same time. But this Udoka guy took over my life and reduced me to a gate man here until I recover back my memory.
Wait. Terry, are you saying that you suffered from amnesia like all this while? I don't understand. And Udoka used it to exploit you? Oh my God. Terry, how come you didn't say a word? You kept quiet. I mean, coming here, you didn't say anything.
No, look.
Oh, no, we need to arrest this people.
No, calm down. Not too fast.
This is criminal case.
Not too fast, man. Look, do you know that sometime I confronted Rita? Udoka came from nowhere and hit me on my head. So I have to pretend to still be on my memory loss just for them to let me go.
Wow. Terry, you are not scared of Udoka, are you? Are you scared of him? No, there's no time. Call police, let them fix this thing.
Calm down. Look, hold on. The only thing keeping me safe is my amnesia. If that guy got to find out that I'm gutting myself, I would wonder what he's capable of doing. Guy, we need to pipe low, man. You need to calm down.
These guys don't drop you. Look at Udoka get man. They're trying to help his life.
Guy, don't be so. See, I did something, man. Will I give you? I did something that I'm more proud of. You understand? Although I was I was just under the influence of alcohol. You see that girl, Rita. Oh boy, let me get that baby, man. Will I give you?
Terry, wait. I don't understand. Like, you guys are running show.
Alright, you see, you don't understand. I have to pipe low, man. See, what you have to be saying, no come again. You go. Let me just then I'll get back to you. Go, make them no come find out.
This is the rescue.
They go. No find out. I'll call you, I'll call you. I'll call you.
Damn. You need to take back your life. Delay is dangerous.
Bro, what do I do? You know, this thing I need to take my time. It's not something I do in a haste. I need to look for a befitting time for this.
Terry, what is stopping you? For crying out loud, these people committed a huge fraud against you. They took over your life, your home, and reduced you to a common servant, a gate man. Look at what you were. Aren't you mad at them?
I am mad at them. Yes, I am. Sometimes I feel like going in there, take gun and shoot them.
Okay, so what?
No, what you should understand that this girl Rita is carrying my child. You know, Udoka did what he did because he was protecting the sister when he noticed I was choking her. Yeah, you know, of course I thought she was lying to me.
He went too far. Omo, that small boy went too far, beg. He went too far when he lied to you, knowing he couldn't recall a thing. He exploited you. What's up?
What am I supposed to do? You know, that girl is carrying my child. Am I supposed to lock her up?
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. But, bro, you won't let this go. No. You have to make them face the punishment. At least it should serve as a deterrent. They will be punished.
They will, huh? I'm just looking for the rightful time to do this. But guy, just give me time. Everything will be fine. But please, I beg of you, just allow this thing to be. Don't go they fight because me, I don't trust you. If you go that place that I carry bottle, they break everywhere. Now you just allow me to play, eh? I beg, please, easy.
No, I don't hear you.
Don't be no wahala, no, I don't hear you. I'm going to say you got the fight for door. I beg you.
It's fine. I've heard.
Please, just leave it to me. I know what I'm doing. I beg, eh? Where are you going now? Are you going out now? You?
Okay, go down and do your drama.
But how be now?
Oh, go for your guy to come catch you here. Go for your guy to come catch you. He's coming.
All right, bro.
How are you?
Good.
You don't chop?
Yes.
Okay, I bring your medicine for you.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry, yeah.
I'm good.
I'm very sorry. I hate this thing what they do to your father. But what you not go through? I know if you go against your uncle will be my brother. Who go protect us? I no be bad person. Only God go fit judge me. I wonder what your papa go do if you find out what I do to him.
Are you okay?
Hmm?
You good?
Yes, I'm very okay.
Don't worry, I'll be fine, okay? I'll be fine. So, would you want to go with this or would you want me to keep it?
Don't worry, I go keep him.
Okay.
When you want drink, I go bring and come.
Okay. I'll be good, okay?
Do? Drink enough water.
I will. Thank you. He won't let me sleep. He doesn't sleep at night. And I don't know what this means.
He is getting desperate. Desperate not to be caught.
And you know desperation makes people to be scared and I'm more afraid here.
Well, from where I stand, fear can make people do the unthinkable that can endanger the lives of people around them. Think of paranoia.
You know what? At this point, I would suggest we keep pushing. You know, we make this guy, we just make him busy. Let him just get busy, start planning his strategies and all that. While we also sit back and also plan on how to get more evidence to nail him.
I don't understand. What are you suggesting?
I suggest you keep coming over to the house, okay? Ask a question. You know, try to make him, shaky and all that.
I don't think that is wise. That's not a good move. Because we might scare him into doing something unpredictably favorable.
Scare that one. Guy, you should know that guy loves his sister so much, so he will do anything. I beg, just let's plan it like that.
I see.
I have to go, I beg go. Go. You know now. So we'll see, eh?
Yeah, you go. Say me hi to your oga.
Which oga? I beg you.
Say me hi to your boss.
Alright, bro.
What did you say?
I swear, I don't know. What do you want to? I swear. No, be you be this. Oh my God, see.
We need to move.
Udoka, we don't have time.
Right now.
Pack your things right now.
That is where? Aha. I thought you are playing boss. Is it game over?
You know, guys, it took me time to plant these cameras in some hidden places in this house just to get what you're watching here. So, guys, why don't you sit down and enjoy the movie?
How long have we known?
Look at him. He's getting angry. You know, you see, one thing about this cheater is when you catch them like this, they get angry. And especially when they know that you are winning, they get more angry.
Doesn't answer my question.
Hey, watch your tone. It be like say this boss thing don't dey do don't dey make you forget see like it's when you be. You forgot it so soon, right?
I beg, Mona no vex. My brother did not hurt anybody. He was only pretending to be you. We just want to know how boss thing they be. I beg.
The flower vest hit on my head, was that a joke to you?
Please, I beg you. I beg. No need thing when my parents leave for me.
Look. He still does not excuse his crime here.
Look, sis, it's okay. It's fine. I'm ready to go to prison. Even though it's 100 years, I will go. I did what I did for us and I will do it again.
Please
do you understand?
I beg
I just feel like it's a terrorist, the generous man, because he's not sending me to jail.
Oh, generous. Generous, you say. So when you reduce me to a mere gate man in my own house, you did not even think about the consequences. Oh, but let's say I did joke with this guy, you.
Oga beg, I don't get you. I don't make I come out from prison. Oga beg.
Yes, officer, please come in.
Oga
come and take these guys out of my house.
Oga beg.
Come in. Yeah, you guys go.
Oga beg.
When you get to the station, you can explain that to him. Bro, you know, at this point, I'll just tell you to forgive. Feeling for Rita. I'm actually feeling for her. I know that what her brother, being Udoka, what he did was very bad. I know how you feel. I know how it was. I'm not saying they tell you, say, make you arrest this guy, but I've just thought it through and I see that whatever he did was to protect his sister. So, I'm pleading, bro. Just temper justice with mercy. Forgive him. I just learned that Udoka has been in the police custody for over 3 days. And that's the only family Rita has. Please, I beg you. Also considering the fact that she's carrying your unborn child, she doesn't deserve to go through this. Yeah, honestly, I've been thinking too. Anybody in his shoe would also do the same thing. I would do that, you would do that, no? Yeah. What he did, I believe, he was just protecting his sister. And couple the fact that I've not thanked him enough, I remember the day he killed a snake, a big snake in this compound. I left home for him, so I will do that. I will consider, and also for the fact that Rita she's pregnant with my child. All right, I'll forgive him. I'll call the IPO. Oh, nice. But for now, at least let's enjoy our wine. That is it now. It is what it is, bro. Then for now, I will just take my time, get better before I get back to work. Oh, yes. I was about to even ask you that. Yeah. Correct guy. That's so nice of you, so thoughtful of you. I know you have a large heart. I used to tell that Udoka that, give this guy a chance. So the guy get good heart. You're my guy. That's why you're my friend. Oh, guys, look, I have come to a final decision here. You know, they say family, it's something you cannot choose. It comes the way it wants. But fate determines how everything ends.
See, Terry is a very big-hearted man. But like I used to tell you, calm down and get to know him, give him a chance, and you'll find out that he has good sides. So today, he's going to be displaying some of those good qualities that has made me stick to him as a best friend. You know.
You see, guys, in my family, we have this saying that our first child is not raised and will never be raised outside. Okay? For anyone who does or who tries that in my family, the blessings is taken away from that person. And I wouldn't want to be the first person to start this abominable act. So please, if you permit me, I would like to marry Rita. Yes, I would like to raise my child along with her.
See, first of all, I never even knew that you were going to forgive us for what we did to you.
Yes.
Not alone thinking about you asking us to be part of your family. Personally, I would say yes, but I mean, I'll leave my sister to decide that. And I don't know if you want Terry here to be your husband.
Okay, I'm going to do it honorably. As a gentleman, like you said. So, I would like to say, Rita, please, will you marry me?
Yes.
She said yes.
Yes.
Woo! She said yes.
She said yes, guys.
So we have wedding to plan, babe.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Wow.
We're a family. Why are you calling me sir? We're a family, man.
Yeah. Congratulations. Udoka.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
I would like to hug my wife again.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
He no get joy, he no see your face, yes, I'm not for boss. And he no send you, he no care for your feelings, I'm not for boss. He's so mean and he say no nonsense, he boss, I'm not for boss. He no get joy, he no see your face, yes, I'm not for boss. He's an awful boss, without no sympathy. He's an awful boss, oh, he no get his joy. No send your papa, no send your mama. You're still being